Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HSBC Banking Easy Access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type HSBC Banking into the search bar. Click on the official HSBC website link. Locate the Log On button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Log On button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your customer ID in the designated field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, input your password in the provided box. Make sure your password is entered correctly. Review the details for any errors. If everything looks good, click on the Log On button. You will now be logged into your HSBC banking account. Navigate through your dashboard as needed. If you encounter issues, check your credentials for accuracy. For additional help, look for the Help or Support option on the page. Take care to log out after using your account for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.